John Anderson with a little more deep water. Let's talk about some deep water squats. We're going back to the classic 10 by 10. For those of you that have done this, you understand what the outcome is. For those of you that haven't, let's send you down the deep water path. All right, you're gonna pick a weight that is challenging for about a tough 3 sets of 10. The weight doesn't have to be too precise because it's a big volume workout. Now, you're gonna proceed to do 10 sets of 10 with this weight. Take whatever rest necessary you need. It's gonna be brutal. The first few sets might not feel too bad. By the time you get to the middle, it's gonna catch up. By the end, you're gonna wonder if you can finish. Throwing up, not a problem. Headaches, not a problem. Feeling like you're gonna die, it's okay too, I promise. You will make it out the ass end of this workout. That's week 1. Week 2, you're gonna proceed to do the same thing. However, you're gonna do the same exact workout with a maximum of 4 minutes rest between each set. Now this is where things get hairy. So, deep water squats, part 1. Get this done. I'll be putting up part 2 in weeks to come. John Anderson, deep water.